Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to set up return and exchange feature on your Shopify store by using our app ZON Customer Accounts and Return. So let's get started. To manage returns and exchanges through the ZON app, you have to navigate to the settings tab in our app, and here make sure you enable this feature return and exchange. You can see I have enabled this feature here. After enabling this feature, let's move to the customer accounts section in the Shopify store settings. And here, make sure this feature self-serve returns is turned off. Also, ensure that the order status block for return has been added to the customer account to manage returns and exchanges. After that, you have to add a block to the ZON customer account in the order details section. You can see here you have to add a block, and let me show you how it looks like. I have opened my customer account and these are my orders. Let's open this one. This is the complete order status page, and here you will see these two buttons, cancel order and initiate return, and they will appear here by using the ZON customer account. Now moving back, these are the orders which are fulfilled. Now if I move to the orders page of Shopify, this is the order I placed today and it's unfulfilled, you can see, while some other are fulfilled. And here you need to remember one thing, only those orders which are fulfilled can be returned and exchanged. Now let's move to the order section in the customer account once again, and I'm going to open this order. Now I will cancel this order as it's unfulfilled, so I'm clicking on cancel order. Here you have to select the cancellation reason and give additional comments. You can see I'm providing no need comment, and you can select from these predefined reasons. Now I'm clicking on confirm cancellation. You can see our order has been cancelled successfully. Moving back and refreshing the page, you can see the latest order has been cancelled, which included these two products. Now let's move back to the orders page of Shopify, and here you can see the order which has been cancelled is showing here. And here you also need to remember that only those orders which are unfulfilled can be cancelled. Now let's open one of my fulfilled orders and perform the return function. You can see this order is on its way. It means we can return this order. Here you have to provide reason for return, return quantity, and then reason not. That is optional. After that, you can also add file here, and then you have to select the return payment type and then return method. We offer 3 return payment options for your clients. The first one is refund original payment method. In this option, the refund will be processed to the same payment method used for the purchase once the return request is approved. The second one is exchange, and in this option, clients can use the refund amount to purchase other products from your store. And the third one is store credits. In this option, the refund amount will be added as store credits, which clients can use anytime for future purchases. Right now, I'm going with the refund original payment method, and now I'm clicking on submit return. You can see the return request has been submitted successfully. Now let's move back to our app, and here you can see the return requests. After refreshing the page, you can see our recent return request is showing here. I'm clicking on it to review the details. From here, you can approve or decline the return request after reviewing the order details and the customer's return request. I'm going to approve this return request. And once you accept the request, your clients will receive a confirmation email. You can see after approving the request, the status has been changed to open. Now let's move to the order status page. Refresh it. You can see the return in progress is showing here. It means our request is approved. Coming back to the app, I'm opening this order. And once you receive the package, you have to click on mark package received. You can see items are marked as received successfully. After that, you have to review the refund summary and then you have to select the refund payment method. There are two methods, original payment and store credit, and you can choose to add any of these. It's up to you. But remember, this refund is a one-time process and cannot be reversed, so please review all the details carefully before proceeding. Moreover, you can add notes here, and you can restore the product by directly clicking on restock option in our app. You can see product restored successfully, and now we have to click on refund option. After refunding the order, you can see the status has been changed to refunded. Now let's visit the order status page to check the status of the order. I'm refreshing the page. You can see return completed and the amount is refunded here. You can see all the details here. Now moving back to the app, after you are done with all this process, you have to visit this return request once again, and you simply have to resolve this request after completing all the process. So I'm clicking on resolve. You can see our return request has been resolved successfully. So this is how you can manage returns using the ZON Customer Account app. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding this app, and thanks for watching this video.